guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. KGF has crossed 200 million views on YouTube. Can you believe it, guys? It was dropped on January, I guess. Yeah, it was dropped on January on 25th birthday of Yes Sir. And it has crossed 200 million views. What a craze that movie has, guys. Seriously, I personally like that movie. If you see my channel, the first review which I did was of KGF Adira's poster. When the teaser was dropped, guys, not only Indians, many people throughout the world gave their reactions and reviews. Still now we keep finding reactions and reviews of the teaser. It really feels happy, guys, to see such a great response, and I personally like this movie very much, to be honest, especially the emotional scenes that really touched my heart. Still now when that music plays, right, whenever I see any scene, the bun scene or so many scenes in the KGF part 1, I get emotional. And the scenes are between the mother and the son, and the climax, that will always be one of the best climax, guys. In many films I have seen, in the climax, either there is some fights, there is bloodshed, and then the climax ends, or some emotional dialogues, the climax ends. But here, the climax is extraordinary. It is completely different, guys. There is no talks, nothing. Just one hit and it's done. That is something which is very new in this movie, and the audience have never seen such a climax, that too in Indian cinema. I saw the teaser of KGF Part 1, guys. There was a lot of buzz going around about KGF. Everywhere KGF, KGF. It was a big film. Everybody were talking. And the film finally released, and I got to know few good feedbacks about it. I thought, okay, let me go and check it out. What is there in that people are going so crazy? I just purchased a ticket. I went to the theater and I saw it in the movie, guys. I still have a pictures. I went to the theater and saw it. I came back home. Next day I had my office. I went to the office. I'm working and I'm just thinking about KGF. It's there in my head. I felt okay, maybe yesterday I saw the movie, that hangout is still there in my head. Next day it will go. No. Next day also same thing happened. I've never experienced such kind of thing for any movies, guys, to be honest. Whenever I see a movie, I usually get that dream in the night. Or next day, that hangover will be there, or whenever I listen to that music. But this movie had been in my head for 3 days. This has not happened with me, it had happened with my friends also when they saw the movie. That is the impact that created. And that is a magical thing that this movie has. I feel extremely happy and proud, guys. This movie has reached out to so many people and people have liked. I'm eagerly waiting for part 2, guys. And the makers have strictly told that it's going to release on the big screen itself, and I'm hoping that these things get settled down. Especially the third wave is going to hit. I don't know what's going to happen. So I just hope things are settled down when they release this movie, and so that people can go and enjoy this movie on the theaters. Not only me, what fans will expect from this movie is the climax again. What magic the part 1 climax created, the part 2 also will create the same thing. There is Adira and there is Rock. So there are the buzz going around that Inayat Khalil may join hands with Adira to destroy the Rocky Empire. So we have to wait and watch. And Sanjay Dutt sir itself have told in a media telling that the character that he's playing, the Adira's character, is just like Thanos. So just imagine, guys, Sanjay Dutt playing a powerful role like a Thanos, and opposite is a Rocky Bai. What is he going to do? If you just leave, I can keep on talking about KGF, guys. There is endless talks about this. So I'm just going to end my video here, and congratulations to the entire team. And I wish good luck for this movie and let it break all the records. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get the notification of all my videos. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Please do continue and stay tuned for more reviews and updates. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.